To own and operate an ATM, you don't need any kind of special training, experience, or technical know-how. All you have to do is buy a machine, complete the required paperwork, find a suitable location, and then just sit back and let your ATM make you money. Here's how you can get started. Buying an ATM. While you might be tempted to buy a used ATM to save a little bit of money when you're getting started, most people recommend spending a little extra to get a brand new high-quality machine. This way, you won't have to worry about whether or not your machine meets current regulations. Plus, you'll typically get up to a 2-year warranty on your ATM parts. That alone is enough to give you the peace of mind you'll want when setting up a new business. In comparison, old machines could break down, quickly requiring maintenance and upkeep that will drain your profits. As far as machines go, a few of the biggest ATM manufacturers out there are Gen Mega, Hyosung, Hantel, and Triton. A simple Google search will quickly put you in touch with companies that sell these machines, each with a wide range of functionalities. Most machines start around $2,000, but high-end machines can cost upwards of $6,000, which probably aren't necessary for the beginner's ATM business. Getting your paperwork. After you've got your machine locked down, you'll need to get all applicable state, federal, and local registrations that are required for a small business. Depending on where you plan on operating, you'll also likely need to acquire a sales tax permit. After you've come up with a business plan and registered your ATM business, then you'll have to work with your bank to make sure that the revenue from your ATM reaches your bank account. To do this, you'll need to fill out an ACH form. You'll also need a valid state ID or driver's license to prove your identity, as well as pass a background check. Unfortunately, you won't be able to run an ATM business if you've ever been convicted of a financial crime or a felony. Choosing a location. The next step is finding a location that is logical, safe, and close by to places where people will need cash. Gas stations, concert arenas, movie theaters, bars, hotels, shopping malls, clubs, and casinos are just a few locales you might want to consider. You'll need to approach the business owner directly to work out a rental agreement once you've found the perfect spot. They will likely want either a monthly rental rate or a percentage of your revenue to operate on their property. If you're a decent negotiator, you should be able to work out an agreement that won't break the bank. According to successful ATM business owners, you should aim to pay somewhere between 5 to 10% of your revenue for the space, or no more than $200 to $300 a month. The banking agreement. Before you can operate an ATM business, you need to contact the bank and make sure that they can accommodate the needs of your new business. You'll want to stock your ATM with a minimum of $1,000 of cash for low foot traffic areas. But some ATM owners may keep their machines loaded with as much as $20,000 in cash. As far as installation goes, your ATM is going to need access to power, a stable internet or phone line connection, and an adequate amount of space, as the machines can be pretty bulky. It's also a good idea for you to make sure that your machine is within the line of sight of security cameras, just in case someone tries to steal it or break into it. While theft is rare, it can happen. Many ATM owners obtain insurance to cover this risk, which is an added cost you may want to consider. Setting surcharge rates. Last but not least, you'll want to set your surcharges at a rate that isn't going to deter users from using your ATM, while still producing the kind of revenue you need to keep your business profitable. These days, most ATM machines charge between $2 to $5 per withdrawal. Obviously, you'll want to stay competitive with other ATMs in the surrounding area. Therefore, location will also play a significant role in determining what you should charge for your ATM service. While a $5 ATM fee at a casino might be reasonable, folks trying to get some cash at a convenience store on a Tuesday night might not be willing to pay that kind of money. ATM Business Profits. After deducting operation costs, the average ATM owner makes about $600 a month per machine. Beginners may want to brace themselves for $200 to $300 per month as they get their feet wet, but a little business savvy can go a long way in boosting your profits long term and helping you earn even more income. And of course, once you get the hang of it, you can quickly scale your business with additional machines to produce even more monthly income. Or if cash doesn't entice you, check out our video on setting up a Bitcoin ATM business for even wider profit margins in the booming crypto space. We'll see you in the next video.